In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move shapes in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a shape within your diagram using Lucidchart's built-in options for copying or moving content to a specific layer, which is perfect for organizing complex visuals and controlling what's visible at any moment. First, head to lucidchart.com. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your recent documents. Click the recent document you want to work with to open it in the editor. This takes you right back to where you left off, so you can start adjusting your diagram without any setup. Inside the document, click the shape you want to move. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around it. Selecting the shape ensures the next command applies to the exact item you're targeting, not the canvas or a different object. Now right-click with your mouse on that selected shape to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to the most relevant actions, so you don't have to dig through multiple toolbars. From the context menu, click the option that says Copy or Move Content. In Lucidchart, moving will relocate the shape to a new destination, while copying creates a duplicate there and leaves the original where it is. If you're reorganizing, Move is usually best. If you're reusing a shape in multiple places, choose Copy. When the options appear, look for the section labeled Move To. Click Layer. Layers let you separate parts of your diagram, think annotations on one layer, core flow on another, so you can show, hide, or lock them without affecting everything else. Choosing layer tells Lucidchart you want this shape to live on a specific layer rather than just shifting its position on the canvas. Next, select the layer you want and click to confirm. Lucidchart will immediately apply the change. If the destination layer is hidden, the shape may appear to disappear. Don't worry, it's there on that layer, and you can reveal it by showing that layer. If the layer is visible, you'll see the shape remain in the same canvas position, but now associated with the new layer, which helps keep your diagram clean and organized. That's it. You opened your recent document, selected the shape, right-clicked, chose Copy or Move Content, used the Move to section to pick layer, and selected the target layer. As a quick tip, give your layers clear names so it's obvious where things belong, and remember you can always undo if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming in Lucidchart.